To wolf down is to eat something very quickly. A wolf is a very aggressive and violent predator of an animal. And so when we wolf something down, then that means we attack it the way a wolf would attack its prey. Often if we're given a really nice meal and we haven't eaten for a while, then we can't help but wolf it down. Here I am in the wild, and there may be wolves around. And if they're eating, then they're not sitting down with a knife and a fork and a napkin. They just wolf it down. So I hope that if you're now eating a nice meal, then you can also wolf it down, because that at least shows that you are appreciating the food. Although some people do say that it's healthier to eat more slowly and to savour the food that you're eating. So yes, I will leave it up to you to decide which is best.